Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while. I feel like it's been a while. What do you guys think? As you guys can see, we got a little quick change in there. We dyed our hair back to dark brown. I really am liking this look. This is really me, and I feel like you know, I'm feeling myself. I haven't been filming because honestly I've been really sick, barely overcoming it. As you can see, I was not going to be recording and coughing and sneezing and having mocos coming out of my nose. Like, no. So, you're welcome. Well, we haven't discussed anything since my eyelash launch. I'm getting amazing feedback from you guys, from my customers coming into the store and congratulating me. I really appreciate it. It's so awesome hearing what you guys have to say, and as well on my website too. Let's stay tuned. I'm glad you guys are joining the journey of obsessed lashes. Really, truly so excited. On to other news. Today we are doing a makeup tutorial on this look. I wanted to go for more of a glossy, kind of bronzy glow. I'm sticking to nudes, full on nude galore today. I'm obsessed with my nudes, always, of course. And I'm not talking about nude selfies, cochina. So let's just hop into this video. The important thing when it comes to applying your makeup is your primer, for sure. So you always want to set your face with a base. I have lately been using these primers by NYX, and they've had these for a while now, and they look like this right over here. There's 3 different kinds. This one's just your clear transparent one. This one will illuminate your skin and brighten it as well. And if you have redness in your skin, this one's really popular. I'm assuming that a lot of people might have some redness around their cheeks and their nose, so they tend to go for this one right over here. And today I'm just gonna go ahead and use the clear one. I'm always curious about how the product looks, so it just looks like a clear gel. It's a dupe for the Smashbox primer as well, so if you're trying to save some money there. And then for a nice glow, we're gonna go ahead and take the Strobe Cream by MAC, and this one is in the Gold Light. Yeah, okay. Never mind, there's none left. I just bought a new one, but I think it's in my car, and that is just way too far, so I guess we will ignore that. But instead of using that, you can always mix highlighter with your foundation and it'll still give you a nice glow, so we'll do that later instead. We're compromising here. We are compromising, darlings. And I did want to use my Shine Killer by NYX, so we're gonna go ahead and take that. And it kind of looks really similar to the primer as well. It's this kind of like gel. Has more of a vanilla transparent cream. Feels a little thicker compared to the primer. We're just going to apply this to our oily areas, which is in my forehead and as well as my nose. So we're just going to place that there. Okay, so we are done with that. Now we are going to hop into our foundation. See how quick that is? We're just gonna let that set in there for a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna take the LA Girl foundation. Really love this application of the foundation. It's very full coverage. It lasts me a pretty long time throughout the day as well too, so I really recommend it, especially the price. It's only $9.99, so it's pretty awesome. If you guys want to come into the store and color match, I also do that as well. I know it's a bit harder whenever you go to like Walgreens or CVS and you're just looking at the product and there's no testers and you're just like, what the heck, how am I supposed to match my color? So I do color match, so you guys can check out my boutique. So I've been using this set by Bebella Cosmetics. I also sell them at my store as well. It's a 15-piece brush set, and I've been liking this foundation brush that came with it. It's very soft. All the brushes are super soft. I don't get any linings in my face, so that's a awesome deal. I'm always checking out brushes for that reason. I don't like to get linings when it comes to my foundation. We're just gonna dab this into our skin. You can see how nicely it covered up my breakouts that I had. As you guys know, I always like to mix my foundation with a MAC primer or a matte setting spray. I just feel like it makes the foundation look a lot less cakey and it's not too much to the skin, so I like to do that. Wow, I totally forgot to mix the freaking highlighter. We're actually going to do a second pump, but with this second pump, I'm going to go ahead and mix that foundation, the Liquid Illuminator by NYX as well. And this is going to give you a nice little glow. I'm just doing a super tiny drop, as you can see. So always be sure to let your foundation dry on your skin before you apply any powders or any creams on top of that. Okay, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. And take our concealer and just applying this underneath our eyes. And take my cream contour palette, and it's by Bebella Cosmetics. Mine is a bit crazy, so don't mind this messy palette. We're going to go ahead and take our oval brush, and I saw these at my store location for $5.99, and this works really well in blending off your contour. Okay, and as you guys can see, I like to leave my concealer set underneath for a little bit, so right after it kind of like absorbed into my skin, I start blending it off. I'm going to be contouring in depth right now, and what I mean by that is I like to apply a little more contour where my highlight goes. And what I feel like this does, it kind of like sucks in my face so that it kind of like extends my contour a bit more. I've been noticing a huge difference in doing this. Okay, so now that we're done with all of our creams on our face, we're going to go ahead and set that with some powders so that it won't get oily throughout the day and it can just look very flawless and matte on top of this. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and take our banana powder, my all-time favorite powder. I love that it has a yellow tint into this. Whenever I use white translucent powders, I just feel like it kind of gives me a flashback. It's too light for the skin, so this yellow tint does really help. I like to pour it outside on right when I apply my powder. I like to remove it automatically because I feel like if I leave it too long, it gets within my creases underneath my eyes. So I like to avoid that, and just by taking it off. As you can see, I use it all the time. It's really messy. And we're going to go ahead and take this shade right over here. Okay, so once we are done with our bronzer and setting our face, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlights. I've been using this new product and it's amazing. It's a liquid base, so if you guys aren't familiar with liquid, I definitely recommend trying it. It's by JCat, and this one is the Aura Glow. I just got these in stock maybe like about a month ago. I've been using White Goddess, and for me, I like to use more of like the gold highlights. This one's more of a wider one, has small reflexes of gold in it as well, but I just didn't think I would like it just because it's super white and overpowering, but it's amazing and gorgeous. I like the fact that it's very little goes a long way, so I just kind of applied drops. And right on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and take the Bebella Cosmetics Glow Dust Palette. And this is a highlighting palette. Works amazing as well. Goes for $27.99. I'm going to take this shade right over here. Let me show you guys a little better. And this one has definitely gold reflex in it as well. So you can see how nicely it applied. Let me tell you, this palette is gorgeous. It's the Basic Browns by Bebella Cosmetics, and it looks like this on the inside. You can see how nicely this shade picks up. So definitely the pigmentation is very out there. We're just going to be blending this back and forth. So you can see how messy it is. So you just always want to keep blending and blending till you get a nice fade. We're going to take a MAC Fix Plus and just apply this to the lid. I'm going to be taking the Glow Goals Highlighter by Ofra Cosmetics. So because we went super light on our eyeshadow, I'm going to make the waterline very dark. And we're gonna go ahead and start taking some shades. You always want to start with a light shade and then work your way into the darker shades. Just gonna apply this to the inner corner. I'm gonna pop on some eyeliner and some lashes. We're gonna take our Obsessed lashes, my brand that I just created this past year, and they look like this. Super gorgeous, glittery packaging, and our lashes are inside, and voila! They're so pretty. And then the back looks like this. We're gonna go ahead and use Goddess today, my all-time favorite. As I'm gonna use 916 in Auburn with a NYX pencil and start outlining. So since we are trying to do everything nude on Nude today, we're going to go ahead and take Gerard Cosmetics in Nude. I don't want to go for matte today. I'm telling you guys, gloss is coming back. And I'm going to be taking the Dose of Colors lip gloss. And I forgot what it's called, but it's this gorgeous gloss with flakes of glitter. I'm not sure if they sell it anymore, but I've only used it once, and we're gonna use it again today. I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup with the new Gerard Cosmetics setting spray in Rose, and it looks like this right over here. Should I have stood with the matte or the gloss? What do you guys think? Comment below. Let me know your guys' type of lipstick. Prefer matte, glossy? What do you guys like? Or the metallics? I haven't really got into metallics yet, but I will definitely test them out very soon. I wanted to go for that glossy kind of look today. So let me know if you guys liked this look and these lashes. These lashes are my brand, Obsessed, and I hope you guys can go ahead and try these out. Thank you guys so much for those who had purchased Obsessed lashes and purchased online as well. My website is obsessedbeauty.com. Very simple to remember. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And as well, we're doing a free giveaway. I will be posting it on my IG, so check it out. Bye guys.